Couple months ago, I made this video. Hey everyone, I'm at 300 subscribers today. A few months later, this channel has just reached 10,000 subscribers because of that one video. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching our work and subscribing to my channel. My dream was never to become a YouTuber, but rather to create and share content for everyone to enjoy, learn a little something, or simply have a little laugh sometimes. When I first came up with the idea of Spider-Man no-budget trailer, I remember telling my partner Brandon and Jerry that I have something very ambitious in mind that's gonna be a lot of fun, but also a lot of work. They immediately supported this idea and actually made time to film with me throughout this whole project. So without them, and my girlfriend Emily and our friend Jason, this trailer would have never happened. I really want to thank them for supporting my crazy idea all along. Also, I actually hinted about this project when I was doing the previous video, but I bet no one noticed it. To be honest, I had a little bit of expectation going into making this Spider-Man trailer, knowing that the movie is coming out and there's a lot of hype around it. But there's just no way I would have expected this video to ever hit 1 million views and bring in 10,000 subscribers for me. I even had the honor to chat with some of the local media about this project. I'm deeply thankful for everyone who watched the trailer and even gave us some encouragement by liking and subscribing to this channel. These gestures really motivate me and the team to continue pursuing the one passion that is in our blood: filmmaking. Moving forward, I'd like to continue doing what's been successful, to recreate movie trailers, music videos, and some iconic scenes in movies, alongside some of the behind-the-scenes actions to showcase some of the production tips and techniques we used in producing these videos. What do you think about this idea, and what trailer would you like to see next? Let me know by commenting below. And as always, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay safe everyone, and I'll see you next time. Peace!